I really enjoyed my birthday, and in today's video I'm going to share with you everything I made during my birthday celebration, and I'm very sure you are going to love it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time here, please do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos so that when we upload new videos you'll be updated. And if you're watching me from Facebook, please do not hesitate to follow for more. Hello to you, and my returning ones, welcome once again. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I have a stick of butter. I'll go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'll make sure I whisk it till it becomes very smooth. Thank you so much for watching me till this point. I do appreciate it, and please do not forget to watch it in full. Okay, please don't click out. That is just by the way. So I will add 3 eggs, but I'll be adding it bit by bit or one after the other. So I'm done adding it. I'll just add my flour, and that is 2 cups of flour. I'll go ahead and mix it very well. And I have added just a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it very well till it becomes very uniform. You can go ahead and add some salt, just a pinch of it, okay? But my butter is salted butter, so there will be no need for that. So after mixing it, this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and add just a cup of whole milk. Mix it very well, then we proceed. Thank you so much for your time once again, and I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now I'll go ahead and add my vanilla. That is a tablespoon of vanilla. You can actually use any flavor of your choice, okay, to give it that nice smell and taste. So that is what I did. Now let's pour this in a baking pan, and this is what I'm using, okay? So let's put it in the oven whilst we prepare the second cake. And this is a stick of butter with 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Mix it very well. You add your eggs, and this time around I'm going to use just 2 eggs, and I will add it bit by bit, just as we made the one we did earlier, okay? Yes, I'll add my vanilla, then mix it very well. So this time around I'm not going to use 2 cups of flour, but I'm going to use just a cup of flour. You make sure you sieve it very well, okay, so that if there's any insect or any particles, you can be able to see it and then throw it away. Thank you so much. So mix it very well. After you mix it, this is how it looks. I'm just going to whisk it and make sure that it becomes very smooth and uniform. Then we can pour this in our pan and bake. But this, we are going to use our air fryer for this. And the one that we made earlier, I made 2 of that, okay? Yeah, so we are going to put this in the air fryer, so it will be 3, okay? So the reason I made 2 of the one I did earlier was after I was done with the first one, I went inside to pick something, and when I came back, my toddler has divided it into 3, saying 1 for mommy, 1 for daddy, and 1 for her. So I had to bake another one. So if you see it when I'm decorating it, you can see that it's different colors. That is the reason, okay? I baked another one, yes, and then put the other one aside. You can just look at that, very soft and fluffy. It started breaking when I held it. Yes, very soft. And that is the one we place in the oven. This one too is ready, and let me show you how soft it also looks. And trust me, the one in the air fryer was ready before the one in the oven. Yes, so the air fryer is always quick, just that it is not big enough for me. Maybe I will get bigger one. Please, the person who got me that, not that I'm not being grateful, okay? Oh my goodness, just look at that. Very soft. I love my cakes, okay? Not that I'm trying to praise myself, but I love my cakes. My cakes are very nice. They taste very good, fluffy and soft. But I don't know how to decorate cake. So I will be learning it very soon. And today I decided to try and decorate cake with seriousness for the first time. Okay, anytime that I want to do it, I don't do it with seriousness. So today I decided to make it with a serious distance. So you can see that the cake is different. Yes, so I made another one so that I can get maybe a very big cake. So I decided to make put the smaller one on top, but my toddler was still disturbing me that she wants to eat that one, so I removed it and proceeded. Okay, yes, so I will not be able to show you the detail because your sister here didn't trust herself. I didn't know I can make it. Oh my goodness, I know I can make it. Okay, so when I got to the middle of the process, I decided to stop because I thought I can do it. That is what I was able to do, and it wasn't smooth at all. So my rice is on fire, and the rice I cooked it with some soya sauce and chicken stock. Okay, I didn't add any salt to it because the soya sauce contains salt. Okay, yes, and now the rice is ready. So the rice was boiled with soya sauce and chicken stock. Thank you so much. And now I have my chicken on fire. I will list every ingredient I used on the chicken. I will leave it in the description. That is rosemary. That is my homemade spice and herbs blend. That is pepper, ginger, garlic. I will leave everything in the description. Please do not forget to check it out. So I'll go ahead and add my other ingredient. That is onion. Okay, I'll add it. Onion, garlic, and ginger. Yeah, I'll add it and then put it on fire on a very lower heat. Okay, thank you so much. So when I made the cake like that, I sent the picture to Bratio on WhatsApp. I mean my husband, and he was telling me that it doesn't look smooth, even though the design is so beautiful, but it doesn't look smooth. So he wants me to do it again. He knows very well that for me, if I want to do something, I can do it. So I should try it again. So when he was returning back from night duty, he bought me some cake tools so that I can make it very smooth. So I'll show it to you. Okay, so that is my pepper, ginger, garlic, some herbs that have put it on fire. Okay, I will just go ahead and fry it very well. I use olive oil, and we are just going to leave that on fire. I'll go ahead and add some parsley. I love parsley. Yes, and I will show you the next clip. So the next thing I'm going to add to this is my seasoning. Okay, so I'll be using my homemade natural herbs and spice blend. I will be bringing you the video very soon. It contains a lot of herbs and spice, yes, and it takes the cooking to another level. It is so flavorful and delicious. So I'm just going to leave it on fire, then we proceed. The reason why I'm showing you this is I got a comment from someone who was asking me to show how I prepare my sauce for my tilapia. So this is how I prepare it, okay? And this was how I prepared it for my tilapia. I prepared in the air fryer, but just that I used red habanero pepper for that, but this one is not red, it is yellow, and the herbs that I added to it is green. That is why it is looking like that. So now our chicken is here. We are just going to air fry it, and I will show you the result. Now I have my tilapia here. It has been in the seasoned water for 30 minutes, and I'm just going to remove it, strain the water, use my paper towel to wipe the water from it. Someone was asking me why I always soak my fish in the salt water or seasoned water. It helps it to taste very good than to rub it on the fish. But if you rub it too, that is your choice, okay? You don't do something that you don't want to do it. But if you want to try it, you can try it. And when you try it and it's better than how you make it, you just stick to it. We are different people, as I always say, that we are different people. You do what you prefer. You do what will make you happy. You don't do what people are doing, okay? So when we bring you the recipe and you want to try it, you can just go ahead and try it. If you like it, you just stick to that. Maybe, who knows, that's maybe better than how you make it. That is just by the way. So now our chicken is ready, and I'm just going to put the tilapia in the air fryer whilst I remove the chicken. You know, the air fryer is only one, okay? So now our fish is also here, and I'm just going to put it in the air fryer, and I'll get back to you. If you've watched me till this point, oh my goodness, I don't know what to say, but all what I would say is thank you so much. I do appreciate it, okay? So whilst the fish is in the air fryer, let's prepare our fried rice. I'm just going to use tofu. That is tofu. I'll make sure I fry it very well so that if I have any water in there, it can come out, okay? So after that, I'll go ahead and add my soya bean oil. So that is my soya bean oil that I've added to it. I'll go ahead and stir it till I fry it. Now you can see that there's no water in there. I'll go ahead and add my carrot, give it a stir before I add the other ingredients. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate your time here. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for more videos, and I will be grateful. If you're on Facebook, please follow me for more. Do not forget to share, like, and comment down below. I'll go ahead and add my rice bit by bit and stir it. Do you know this this rice, the family fell in love with it. Oh my goodness. And the next 2 days I made another one with a twist. Yes, I'll be bringing you the recipe. I don't know whether I'll bring this one first or I'll bring that one first. Yes, I don't know. So just look at that. So beautiful. I just love the color, that brownish color it looks. I'll go ahead and add my onions and my cabbage. Give it a stir. If you want a perfect fried rice, just add some cabbage to it. It makes it very nice. Yes, trust me, it makes it very nice. So at this point I was like, my rice is ready then. But he was telling me that the other day he bought some fried rices, and I said, oh, okay, you should bring it and let me add. So that is what I've added, and it is so good. It tastes so good. It's made it taste nice, yes. and we really enjoyed it. I wish you were here to taste it. Oh my goodness, just look at that beautiful color. I'll go ahead and add some scallions. Oh, now look at my cake. I am so proud of myself. My husband was like, I told you can make it. I said, oh, I made it. It is because of you. That was why I was able to make it. Say, yes, you made it. I made it. Just look at that. So beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So now we are just going to set the table so that we eat. We don't have anyone here to eat with us. We don't have any friend. Yes, the tilapia is ready and the chicken is also ready. We don't have anyone. At the end, you couldn't even eat the food. So I set the table and just look at that. Thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate your time. Whatever thing that you want to do, my dear, do it and you can make it. Just have that confidence and just have that person who can motivate you or encourage you, okay? But if you don't get anyone, do not wait for someone to do that. Just encourage yourself. You can make it. It is so beautiful. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.